guys, what's up? Cam here. We're working on the floor. What we are doing is putting, if you look down here in this gap, we have the 1/2 inch foam board that we glued to the bottom between the ribs, and then we're placing reflectic stuff on the top of that. We also glued over taped over the wheel wells. The next step is we're putting inch foam board down on top of this, and then we're going to put some 1/2 inch plywood on top of it. And then once all that's done, we're going to hit the sides with this gaps and cracks grade self filler.
Show us.
This is what we're using. They have a pro version, but I just got a bunch of these bottles, so they're like $2.50 each. So that's our plan. Stay posted for